How to use classic faces in Roblox on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to equip a classic style face or turn off animation on newer dynamic heads. First, open your browser and go to roblox.com. After that, sign in to your Roblox account. From there, click on Avatar at the top of the page. At this point, if you already own a classic face from before they were replaced, it'll still appear in your inventory under Faces. In the next step, click on it to equip it directly onto your avatar. Following this, if you don't own one, classic faces are no longer available for new purchase since they were replaced by dynamic heads. Once done, instead, click on your currently equipped head in the avatar editor. From here, look for an option related to face animation or dynamic face settings. At this stage, toggle this off if you'd like your head to appear static, more closely resembling the look of a classic face. Keep in mind, this doesn't restore an actual classic face item, it just removes the blinking or moving expressions from your current dynamic head. Finally, click Save to apply your changes to your avatar. And that's it. If this guide helped you use classic faces in Roblox on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.